Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I take you through my beautiful forest of food and fulfillment, which contains, chickens, bunnies, starfruit, mangoes, bananas, and other delicious things. Also even things like pigeon peas. Love those pigeon peas a lot. Carrots, been growing me some carrots. So I thought you might be wondering, what is a good pick of a fruit tree that's going to give me fruit rather quickly from planting, from the point of planting, one that produces lots of fruit, and one that has fruit that is good tasting? And there are a lot of things which fall into that category. I think there are probably many that would do very well in the Zone 10A climate I have here in Central Florida. But I want to highlight one that is absolutely going off the deep end with production and show you the possibility of what you can do if you plant
a starfruit tree.
They're easy to grow from seeds, very tender when young though, so they're challenging to grow to adulthood. And they produce fruit very quickly, rapidly. Let's go take a look at what's happening on the starfruit tree. Okay, so here you have it. This is December, and there is so much starfruit on this tree that it is challenging to keep up with picking the fruit of even one tree. You can see how densely the fruit comes in. Really, really dense. This tree is also called a carambola. Its leaves are beautiful. I would claim an often overlooked value of this tree is the distinctive leaves, which are beautiful, multi-leafed tree. Also, the bark on the tree is very beautiful once it gets mature. This one has beautiful fungus growing all up it, which I love, and I think just takes on a very distinctive and cool natural look. Now, the secret to all success in growing fruit trees is going to be providing the right nutrients. This tree gets all the right nutrients through bunny fertilizer, but look at the quality of that fruit. That's about the size you can expect. Problem is, these are almost all ripe at the exact same time, which can be an issue. What do you do with them all? That's why you have to have a network set up to be able to trade and give these to people. I've got a neighbor who makes excellent hot sauce. I'm going to take a big bag of that over, give it to him, and get some hot sauce in return. That's a big part of permaculture. If you watch the channel, you know that that's a big thing I'm getting into this year in 2022, which is setting up little networks where you can exchange gifts of value, like killer hot sauce. My neighbor puts his homegrown peppers in there, which he has several varieties. It's the best hot sauce I've ever tasted. And it contains the juice of these delicious starfruit. And there's so many other things you can make with starfruit. Little warning, if you have, I think it's kidney issues, you might want to watch out eating these. There is some health concern with people that have certain ailments eating these, but I've always eaten them. They've never made me feel bad, and I don't eat them every day, but I do enjoy eating them, and they taste delicious. There are a lot of varieties of starfruit to choose from. Don't actually know the variety of this one, but all I can say is there's many varieties and a lot of them taste kind of watery. This one though tastes very sweet and delicious, so makes a difference the variety you get. I would definitely say get a variety that's going to give you what you need when you want it. All right, well, thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard. Hope you enjoyed this and maybe consider getting a starfruit into your life, maybe even growing in a pot. Make a good bonsai fruit tree for sure. All right, thanks for watching. See you back on the next one. The bounty.